Lions, though formidable predators, often face challenges when hunting zebras. Zebras possess a strong herding instinct, which allows them to form tight-knit groups, making it difficult for lions to isolate a single target. Additionally, zebras are swift runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, enabling them to outrun pursuing lions over short distances. Moreover, zebras have powerful kicks that can inflict serious injuries, serving as a formidable defense mechanism against predators. Furthermore, their distinctive black and white stripes may create optical illusions, confusing predators during the chase.